What kind of magic wizardry makes this happen? Let's find out. Now, we already know how amazingly, incredibly awesome our motorized roof is. But how does it work? We use a heavy-duty, all-weather actuator motor like this, and it is controlled with this remote. The motor mechanism and how this works is pretty simple. All it does is push this rod in and out. The magic happens with the engineering and design with mounting the motor and then connecting it so it can operate all those louvers. How do we take a motor that just pushes in and out and connect it so it'll actually rotate louvers open and closed? First, the motor is mounted to a pivot point on the beam. Then the motor arm is connected to a link bar. Now that link bar attaches to a point on the louvers called the action pin. When the motor pulls the arm in, the link bar pulls all those action pins with it, which moves all the louvers simultaneously. You'll notice that when pulling these action pins, the link bar has to move up and down. That is why we mounted the motor on a pivot point. And when you want the roof closed, the system just does the opposite. The motor arm extends and the link bar follows, which closes up those louvers watertight. If you want to know more, please be sure to check out our other videos on here or go to theluxurypergola.com.